And just because you've double-checked and hit the send button doesn't necessarily mean you can say goodbye to this year's tax season. The Bank of North Dakota's Lance Hill tells us why.
Simply filing the tax return doesn't necessarily mean you are done with the process. Your next steps depend on whether you owe money or are expecting a refund. If you owe money and can pay the bill in full, you can submit through an electronic funds withdrawal, which is when the IRS and state tax department pull money directly from your account if you e-file, or you can pay direct when money is pulled from your account if you provide that information when filing by a paper return. You may choose to pay with a credit card or a debit card, but there may be a fee assessed. Finally, you can choose to mail in a check, either separately or with your filed return. But if you can't pay your bill in full, you should submit Form 9465 as the first step in setting up a payment plan. There is a charge to file this form. The plans available vary depending on how much you owe. You may be charged interest on the amount that is due. Payments or arrangements to make payments should be made to the tax due date to avoid late payment fees. If receiving a refund, you can track when you receive it by using the IRS tracking tool. The timing on when you receive the refund varies depending on how you request receiving it and the workload with the IRS. Federal tax policy, including income tax brackets, rates, credits, deductions, refunds, applications, and other items, is regulated by the Internal Revenue Service and subject to change every year. For the most recent information and updates, consult the official IRS website. That's all for now. I'm Lance Hill with Bank of North Dakota. Thanks for watching.
And for more finance tips, you can visit our website, kxnet.com.